What shall we do today?
Please?
Oh, okay. Let's do everything.
Everything?
Yes. Ready? 10,
9,
8,
7, 6, 5,
4,
3, 2, 1.
Let's go!
I'm 10, 10, 10, and I'm flying through the sky. I'm 10, 10, 10. You can break me up any way you like. I can be
9 plus 1, going for a run. Try not to sneeze.
and having lots of fun.
And then
I'm 10, 10, 10 again. I can be
8 plus 2, visiting the zoo,
talking to the octopus.
and dancing with a canoe, and then
I'm 10, 10, 10 again. I can be
7 plus 3, sitting in a tree, making rainbows,
looking at me.
and then
I'm 10, 10, 10 again. I can be
6 plus 4, shopping at the store,
playing with the dice.
on a square tile floor. And then
I'm 10, 10, 10 again. I can be
5 plus 5, on a scuba dive, swimming with the starfish and doing a jive. And then
I'm 10, 10, 10 again. I can be
4 plus 6, buying pick and mix, picking out the square ones.
using chopsticks.
And then
I'm 10, 10, 10 again. I can be
3 plus 7, gazing up to heaven,
no looking at me.
and a rainbow called Kevin. equals
10. I am 10. Say it again. I am 10. Watch this. 10
minus 1 equals
9.
You're amazing!
one bigger. You're one bigger.
Why do you have a 1 on top?
If you're wondering why there's a 1 on top, you'll know the answer when you realize I'm one big block, I'm one big perfect 10. I'm a 10 block, I'm a 10 block. You might think we're different, think again. We're more alike than you suppose. You're 1 1 and I'm 10 ones, which means I'm 110. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 2 is made of 2 blocks.
I'll always be your friend.
3 will entertain you.
On that you can depend.
I'm 2 1s.
And I'm 3 1s.
And I'm 10 ones, which means I'm 110.
marvelous moon. One day I'll go into space.
You'll never get to the moon that way, One. Just count down from 10 to 1. Ready? 10,
9, 8,
7, 6, 5,
4,
3,
2.
1. Blast off!
Number 10 up on the moon, and my friends will be here soon. 10 equals
9.
Plus 1. One small step for a number. One giant hop for number kind.
We're on the moon. 9.
And 1.
That was easy.
This is fun.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 aliens.
And 1 more is 10. Oh.
9
Plus 1 equals
10. Number 10 back on the moon. 2 more friends will be here soon. 10 equals
8.
Plus 2.
We're on the moon. 8
And 2.
How did...
Now there's something you don't see every day. An alien.
up, up.
Whoa. Is that where you live?
Up, 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 up.
Don't worry, fellow space cadet. I can rocket you home. Hold on tight. 10, 9, 8. Oh,
I think she's building a tower.
Up.
oh, I think you'll need more blocks than that. Whoa! Stop! That tickles. Oh! Let's build a tower.
My turn. That looks like fun. Whoa. I didn't even know I could make that shape.
Hey, say, can I play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Please make me some building bricks. Ooh, great. 10 again. 10 again. 10 again.
And what do you want to do today, 10?
I need a nap.